Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Discord black screen issue. First, try a quick hard refresh. If your Discord app is open but showing a black or blank screen, click anywhere inside the window. Then press Ctrl and R on your keyboard if you are using Windows, or Command and R if you are on a Mac. This forces Discord to reload its interface and often fixes small glitches instantly. If that does not work, the next step is to clear the Discord cache. Start by completely closing Discord. You can right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Find Discord in the list, click on it, and press End Task. After that, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. A folder will open. Find the folder named Discord, right-click it, and delete it. This will not remove your account or messages. Now reopen Discord, and it will download fresh files. If the problem continues, try disabling hardware acceleration. Open Discord and click the gear icon at the bottom left to open User Settings. Scroll down and click on Appearance. Look for hardware acceleration and turn it off. Confirm the change and restart Discord. If none of these methods fix the issue, reinstalling Discord is the final step. Go to your system settings. Find Installed Apps and uninstall Discord. Then download the latest version from the official Discord website and install it again. Log back into your account and check if the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.